Hello guys, welcome to my page. JAMBITE 2027 come close. WAEC candidate and NECO candidate, even external GCE 2027 come close. Now let's trash this question under velocity time graph. The question says, use the figure below to answer question 6 and question 5 and question what 6. Question 5, determine the acceleration from this figure. Now question 6 say total distance travel. Let's take it one after the other. If you look at this diagram, this is a diagram of a velocity time graph. First, say acceleration. Acceleration is the change of rate of velocity with time. This vertical distance denotes velocity, while the horizontal terminal or horizontal joining pole elicits time. So our acceleration now, the change of rate, this is the starting point. Change of rate, this is the starting point, point O. That means our initial velocity here, this will give us initial velocity. And the journey continues till you get to a point where it stops and maintain constant steady horizontal speed. That means this is our final velocity, which is what V. Therefore, the time covered from point 0 to point 20, if we trace it down, the time here is what is 10. It is the time taken is what is 10 for this journey from the entire journey from point O to point 20. Therefore, you can say that acceleration equal to final minus initial velocity over what time. Our final velocity as level is 20, and initial velocity as level is 0, while the time elapsed is what 10. So this can further say that acceleration equal to 20 all over 10, 0 will trash 0, and the answer here is 2 meters per second square. So the correct option there is option B. Let's quickly move to the next question without wasting much time. Next question says total distance travel. Total distance travel. Without wasting time, the total distance travel depends on the shape of the velocity time graph. If you look at this shape critically or closely, you discover that this is a trapezium. This is a trapezium. So we are going to use the area of a trapezium to solve or calculate for the total distance travel. Now let me quickly recall your memory on a diagram of a trapezium. This is a trapezium. This is a trapezium, and this is the height of a trapezium. Now, if I should level this point A and level this point B, so the area of a trapezium is given as half A plus B times what height. So we are going to apply the principle in solving this. Let's go. Okay, so the total distance travel will now be equal to half. Now, if you look at this point, it represents AB. So this we have AB plus YB represents what? OC. So plus OC, while the height on the board on this trapezium represents this line. If I should let me label this point as P. So it represents AP. You now understand? Let's impute the values. So this will be equal to half. What's the value of AB? The value of AB means the distance from A to B, which is this point to this point, and it is 20. So this is 20. And what is our value of OC? OC means the journey from this point to this point, and which is what? 50. And what is our height? From this point, and the height here is what? 20. This will now be equal to 20 plus 50 will give us 70. So this is half 70 times what? 20. So 2 into itself 1, and into 70 35. So this will be equal to 35 times 20, which gives us 700 centimeters. So the correct option on the board is option C, 700 centimeters. If you love what I'm doing, follow, comment, like, and share this video for others to also benefit. If possible, save it for future use. See you in my next video.